Bubby, are you gonna get a bath?
No.
Remember, come here. You want a bath? You get a bath? You don't want a bath? You don't want a bath? We have to give you a bath, Bubba.
You gotta get clean.
I love you. You want to get clean? Oh, Bubba. Come here, sweetheart.
Oh, you're not in trouble. Let's go. Come on. Alright. No! No! Come here.
Oh,
Come here. Come on. I love you, boy. What? You gotta come on. Good boy. You get a treat. Get a treat.
See a video all on its own. Let's go take a bath.
No. 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 Alright, that's it.
Bear. You don't want a bath? Love you.
Hey, boy. You ready? Yeah, okay. Yeah. Okay. No. Good boy.
This is Bubby's post-bath ritual. What are you doing, Bubba? Are you drying off?
I'm glad we're cleaning the floors.
Yep.
He does not like baths one bit.
Are you good? Are you clean? Yeah? You tired now? Are you good?